Hey, it's Huang here with Hands-On Therapy Services. We help people in the Miami area with hand and shoulder problems to stay active, pain-free, and to avoid things like having to take pills all the time, getting needless injections and surgery. So it is April, it's Occupational Therapy Month, and we wanted to share some tips with you. One of my most common problems that we have here are people with shoulder problems. So if you're somebody or someone you know has shoulder problems, give us a call, get some clarity in terms of what's going on, what you can do to get rid of the shoulder problems and ensure lasting results. Now, a lot of times when people come with shoulder problems, they are women and they have big bags and they're always doing things. They are carrying big purses. I can tell you right now that I have one too. And even if you have shoulder problems, you're still going to the grocery store, you're still doing all this stuff, and we have a lot of stuff that we carry. And a lot of times people with shoulder problems don't really realize that when they carry things on their forearms, that actually affects their shoulder. So I've had some people come and say, well, because of my shoulder problems, I don't want to carry anything on my shoulder, so I actually carry it right here on my elbow. And I don't know why, but it makes it feel worse. And the reason being is our biceps, this is our biceps, and that muscle goes right into our shoulder and comes down and ends in our elbow. Now, what happens is when you carry it on your elbow, you're utilizing that muscle. You're using that muscle and carrying it. So in actuality, if you are someone who has shoulder problems, carrying things like this on your elbow, on your forearm, can make your shoulder problems worse. So if you're looking to modify and reduce your pain, it is still okay to carry it on your shoulder, or you can just carry it on the other side. Try to reduce the amount that you're carrying, but listen, I can tell you to try to reduce it. I'm somebody who has a million things sometimes to carry, and it's hard always to go multiple trips or carry less. So if you're somebody who has shoulder problems or shoulder injuries, give us a call today to help you clarify what's going on with your shoulder, create a plan for you to get rid of that shoulder problem and ensure a lasting result. In the meantime, though, you can definitely modify a little bit by still, if you have shoulder problems, you think it's in your biceps, or it makes you feel worse to carry it on your elbow, still go ahead and carry it on your shoulder and just try to lighten the load a little bit.